Cerakote paint sealant reviews. Is it legit and does it really work? Cerakote paint sealant reviews. Is it legit and does it really work? If you're looking for a way to protect your car, motorcycle, or even firearms from scratches, corrosion and wear, Cerakote paint sealant has probably come up in your search. But is it legit? And does it really deliver on its promises? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any paint coating works the same. The surprising truth is that Cerakote is a professional-grade ceramic-based coating designed to provide a durable, long-lasting finish. It's not a simple wax or polymer. It forms a hard, protective layer that can withstand extreme conditions, including chemicals, heat, and friction. You won't believe what happens next. Many users report that after applying Cerakote, surfaces remain looking brand new even after months of heavy use. For vehicles, it helps resist oxidation and fading. For firearms and industrial equipment, it reduces wear and improves overall longevity. Application can be done professionally or, with proper preparation, using dye kits. However, proper surface preparation is crucial. Skipping sanding or cleaning steps can compromise results. In conclusion, Cerakote paint sealant is legitimate and highly effective when applied correctly. While it's not a magic solution for damaged surfaces, it is a reliable way to protect and enhance the durability of various items. For best results, follow manufacturer instructions and consider professional application for critical items.